Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
What do you like to do in your free time? That's a question we're often asked, isn't it? We all have different ways to unwind, to express ourselves, and to have fun. These activities, our hobbies and interests, play a crucial role in shaping our personalities and our lives. They give us a break from our regular routines and let us do something we truly enjoy. For instance, I love getting lost in the pages of a good book. The thrill of an adventure, the mystery of a crime novel, or the magic of a fantasy story. It's like embarking on a new journey every time I open a book. I also have a passion for sports, the excitement of competition, the camaraderie of teamwork. It's all so exhilarating, but we'll delve deeper into these topics as we go along. Now let's dive into some of my favorite pastimes. One of my favorite hobbies is reading books. It's more than just a pastime. It's a portal that takes me on journeys to different worlds. Each page is a new adventure, a new mystery to unravel. I have an insatiable thirst for stories. Adventure novels, for instance, are my favorite. They transport me to distant lands, introduce me to fascinating characters, and immerse me in thrilling situations. There I am, in the heart of the jungle, or perhaps on a pirate ship, sailing the seven seas. The adrenaline rush, the anticipation of what's to come, it's all so invigorating. Mystery books, on the other hand, are like intricate puzzles waiting to be solved. They challenge me to think, to deduce, to piece together clues. I become a detective, solving crimes and unveiling secrets. It's a mental exercise that keeps my mind sharp. But reading isn't confined to just fiction. Nonfiction books open my eyes to different facets of reality. They teach me about cultures I've never experienced, about historical events that have shaped the world, about scientific wonders that baffle the mind. It's like traveling without leaving my cozy reading nook. There's also a hidden benefit to reading. It improves my vocabulary. Each book is a treasure trove of words, some familiar, some new. As I encounter these words in their natural habitat, I learn their meanings, their nuances, and how to use them. This, in turn, helps me express my thoughts more clearly and effectively. Moreover, reading cultivates empathy. By stepping into the shoes of different characters, I get to see the world from their perspective. It broadens my understanding, makes me more compassionate, more open-minded. In the end, every book is a journey, every chapter a new destination. And the best part, there's no end to these journeys. There's always another book waiting to be read, another world waiting to be explored. Reading truly is an adventure that never ends. Another hobby I thoroughly enjoy is cooking. You see, the art of creating delicious dishes is a delightful blend of creativity, technique, and love. My interest in cooking sparked at a young age, watching my mother whip up exquisite meals from simple, homely ingredients. It was like watching an artist paint on a blank canvas, transforming it into a masterpiece. I began my culinary journey with simple recipes: scrambled eggs, pancakes, and pasta. Gradually, I ventured into more complex dishes, learning the subtle art of seasoning, the delicate balance of flavors, and the importance of presentation. The kitchen became my studio, the stove my canvas, and the ingredients my colors. Some of my favorite dishes to prepare include homemade pizzas, warm, comforting soups, and delectable desserts. There's something incredibly satisfying about kneading the pizza dough, simmering the soup on the stove, and watching the cake rise in the oven. It's a creative process that engages all the senses, and the end result is always a treat. But what truly elevates cooking from a mere task to a cherished hobby is the joy of sharing. There's a unique pleasure in seeing the faces of my loved ones light up as they take the first bite of the dish I've prepared. It's a silent compliment, a wordless expression of appreciation that makes all the effort worthwhile. Cooking also offers a wonderful way to explore different cultures. By trying out various cuisines, I've journeyed from the spicy streets of Mexico to the aromatic kitchens of Italy, all from the comfort of my home. It's like a passport to the world, a delicious adventure that never ends. In essence, cooking is more than just a hobby. It's a form of self-expression, a medium to connect, and a way to spread joy. It's a therapeutic ritual that calms my mind, sparks my creativity, and satisfies my soul. It's a tangible form of love, served on a plate, ready to be savored and enjoyed. Cooking not only feeds the stomach, but also the soul. Playing sports is another activity I love in my free time. Immersing myself in a game, feeling the rush of competition, and the camaraderie of teamwork is an experience like no other. The sports I enjoy most are football and basketball. The energy, strategy, and teamwork required in these games are simply exhilarating. In football, the thrill is in the chase, the strategic planning, and the ultimate goal of getting the ball into the net. It's a game of endurance, quick thinking, and teamwork. Each player has a role to play, and every role is vital to the success of the team. The adrenaline rush when we score a goal, the disappointment when we miss, and the joy of winning are emotions that make the game worth playing. Basketball, on the other hand, is a fast-paced game that demands agility, accuracy, and coordination. The thrill of dribbling the ball down the court, the precision required to shoot the ball into the hoop, and the satisfaction of a well-executed play are feelings that keep me coming back to the court. But playing sports is not just about the thrill and the competition. It's also about keeping fit and healthy. The physical exertion during a game of football or basketball helps boost cardiovascular health, build muscle strength, and improve overall fitness. It's a fun and engaging way to stay active and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Moreover, the importance of teamwork in sports cannot be overstated. It teaches us to work together, to communicate effectively, and to trust in each other's abilities. It's about learning to put the team before oneself, to celebrate each other's successes, and to support each other in times of defeat. These are valuable lessons that extend beyond the sports field and into everyday life. To sum it up, playing sports is a fantastic way to combine fitness, fun, and learning. It's an activity that challenges both the mind and the body and brings people together in a spirit of friendly competition and teamwork. Playing sports is not just about winning, but also about teamwork and enjoying the game. So these are some of the activities I enjoy in my free time: the magic of reading, the artistry of cooking, and the thrill of playing sports. Each one is a world in itself, full of excitement, learning, and satisfaction. Reading takes me on adventures to different worlds and times. It expands my mind and fuels my imagination. Cooking is an art that allows me to create, experiment, and enjoy the delicious results. It's also a way to show love and care for others. Playing sports gives me the chance to challenge myself, work as part of a team, and stay healthy. These hobbies enrich my life, bringing joy, relaxation, and personal growth. But remember, everyone is different. What matters is finding hobbies that you truly love, that make your heart sing, that make you lose track of time because you're so engrossed. Remember, the best hobby is the one that brings you joy and helps you relax.
Let's learn new words and practice English. Reading. Reading, the action or skill of reading written or printed matter silently or aloud. Example: one of my favorite hobbies is reading. I love getting lost in a good book. Drawing. Drawing, the art or skill of making pictures or diagrams with a pencil, pen, or crayon. Example: I enjoy drawing because it lets me express my creativity through sketches and illustrations. Cooking. Cooking, the practice or skill of preparing food by combining, mixing, and heating ingredients. Example: cooking is fun for me. I like to try new recipes and make meals for my family. Hiking. Hiking, the activity of going for long walks, especially across country or in the woods. Example: I go hiking on weekends to explore nature and keep myself active. Playing sports. Playing sports, engaging in physical games and activities that involve skill, such as soccer, basketball, or tennis. Example: playing sports is one of my interests. It's exciting, and I enjoy the teamwork.
Thank you for watching. Like, write a comment of more than 4 words to support us, and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new videos. Goodbye.